Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I'd love you to hit that subscribe button before leaving and give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. So today's video, I just finished doing a makeup tutorial on IT Cosmetics. If you have not seen it, I will link it down below for you, but I was just thinking before I run outside to go do more yard work that I would love to share with you the best highlighters for fair skin and how exactly I would apply them. So if you're interested in that, I'd love for you to keep watching. And also, if you have other highlighters that you use that you love, I would love for you to comment down below and share those with us. So the two that I want to talk about today is Becca. I love this one. I've used it in other videos. It's called Moonstone. It has the most beautiful shimmer. It looks so natural on the skin. It just gives kind of like that sunlit glow within. It's just gorgeous. And then the other one I came across when I bought, and I also did a video on this Milani blush trio, and I'll link that down below if you have not seen that video. But in here, the blushes are beautiful, but focusing just on this one, it's more like a highlighter, and I've used it as a highlighter, mixing it with a 3, so I wanted to point this one out too because you can use it by itself, and it looks really, really pretty as well. Okay, and another thing I wanted to share with you is I talk about this in some of my videos, but one of the ways that I personally like to highlight my nose, I know a lot of people use bronzer to contour, but having fair skin, I feel like it just makes my skin look too orange. So instead, I use, it's kind of like a little tip for you, my Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I know a lot of you already have this, and maybe you just haven't used it in this way, but if you have lighter skin, I urge you to try this because I think you'll really like it. So all I do is I just take a little bit and I brush it right underneath my eye like you usually do, but then I drag it up and then I drag it down along my nose and kind of in the corner, and I feel like it gives more dimension to my nose while also brightening up my face, and then I don't have that harsh, like where it looks too orange kind of look, but it just kind of makes my eyes look more lifted and highlighted, awake, and I feel like it gives more dimension to my nose, but without the bronze color. So that's just a little tip that kind of went with highlighting. So today I'm going to focus on the Becca because this is my favorite. Like I said, I also like this one. So if you have not tried this, you also get 2 blushes with it. It's a great deal. They're beautiful blushes, and you can kind of mix all 3 together or use them individually. So it's also great. But I just wanted to show you what I do. I just use a big fluffy brush. This one is one that I got from Lancome at Christmas one time. And I just push it in there, and I just put it right above where my blush is, and I just want to show you how absolutely beautiful it is. It looks so natural, but it makes your skin, oh, it just makes it glow. It looks so pretty. Doesn't it look beautiful? And so that's it. It's such a beautiful color. It adds such a prettiness to your face, but it does not look like too dark, too light. It doesn't look unflattering. It just looks super, super pretty. So I just wanted to share that little tip with you and do a short little clip on how you can highlight for fair skin. So I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye guys.